집밥 드신 지 오래됐죠. 집밥 드신 지 오래됐죠.
Hi everyone, welcome to Korean with K-dramas. Today we're learning a useful expression from a scene with CEO Ji-yoon and her secretary Yoon-ho at a restaurant. In our drama, Yoon-ho notices that CEO Ji-yoon has been skipping meals. He's worried about her health. To encourage her to eat, he asks,
집밥 드신 지 오래됐죠?
he hopes this gentle reminder will help her take better care of herself. In Korea,
집밥
means more than just food from home. It's about comfort, family love, warm care. It's what Koreans miss when life gets too busy. Now, let's listen to their first conversation.
집밥 드신 지 오래됐죠. 집밥 드신 지 오래됐죠.
Our grammar today is
뭐뭐 한지 오래되다.
Koreans use this when something hasn't happened for a long time. It's simple to make. Take a verb stem, add g, then add.
오래되다.
Let's break down our example.
집밥 드신 지 오래됐죠? 집밥
Is home, cooked food,
드신
is the polite way to say eat. And
지
is our grammar particle.
오래됐죠?
Means it's been a while, right? The
조
at the end asks for agreement, like saying, hasn't it? In English. With friends, you'd say,
집밥 먹은 지 오래됐지?
in English it means, you haven't had a home-cooked meal in a while, have you? Here's one more.
요즘 바빠서 집밥을 못 먹었어요.
This means, I've been too busy for home cooking lately. Let's listen and practice. Shadow the line.
집밥 드신 지 오래됐죠. 집밥 드신 지 오래됐죠. 집밥 드신 지 오래됐죠. 집밥 드신 지 오래됐죠.
Next time we'll learn
여기 정말 집밥같이 나오네요.
it means the food here really tastes homemade. Thanks for watching Level Up Korean with K-dramas. See you next time.